Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own Solana token, how to launch your own Solana project, how to launch a project on Solana blockchain. Very simple way, and you need to follow all the steps I'm going to show you in this video for you to understand how to create your own token. You mint your token on the Solana blockchain, you customize with name, you can stake lock, or when you successfully launch the project, then you can do sales or anything you want to do. So wait guys, I need you to subscribe to this channels right now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Get me to 1k subscribers, please guys. Get me to 1k. Just 1 second of your times. I'm waiting for you to like and subscribe as you're watching this video right now. Have you done that? Thanks. So let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you, walk you through how to create your own Solana token, how to mint your token just like this: one soul, bear cape, kato, dino token, and how to upload the image you design for your project. So let me walk you through everything right now. So first of all, what you need to do is Solana wallet, and make sure you fund your wallet with some token. You can see $10 here. This wallet I'm going to use for this. You don't need much funds for you to carry out the transaction. Just little. So this is it. So let me walk you through. I will drop the link in my description down below for you to understand and where to sign up. So open your browser, dexlab.space.minting tab. So these are I'm going to show you guys. Follow all the steps in these videos. Make sure you watch this video to the very end for you to understand what I'm going to show you right here. So after that, you click on connect. You connect your wallet right here. So you click on connect, you connect your wallet. So after that you're going to click on connect wallet, click on select, wait, still loading. Hold on guys. So input your password, then you click on connect successfully, then you go back to the dex tab. So when you go back to the dex tab, this is how you're going to do it. This is your wallet right now. You can see everything right here. You can see all my token and everything I'm holding. You can see them right here. So this is how we're going to do it. Let's clip this one for now. So all you need to do right now, I don't have any token right here. You see token name, mint, token list, dex lab listing, authority and supply. I haven't mint any token yet on this with this address. So what I'm going to do right now is you click on this. You see my token right here. You see my token. Or when you first of all open the wallet, when you first of all launch this website, you click on this side. You click on this three sign here. So after that, you click on meeting. Then you locate this where my token is, right here. My token. You locate this side. So after that, you need to click on that my token. Then you click on token minting, NFT minting, Solana token. When you click on token minting, that's when you're about to mint your own token. You have to fix this total supply. Maybe you want to, you need maybe 1 billion total supply of your token. You want to create a meme token or a solid project with real utility and good use case. Then you click on token minting. You input the decimal. Let me input let me input like 5. Let me input 5 here. Token decimal. You can put any amount. You can put 0, 1, 1 to 0. Yeah, I think so. 1 to 0. You can input 1 to 0 or token decimal. So you click on create. Then it will take you to this side right here. You click on approve. Creating pool mint, transaction sent. You wait for this to load successfully. Okay guys, you wait for this token mint. Sorry guys. So after that, then quality of token to be issued. You have to think very well before you click on this, or maybe after you create the token. You can decide to, okay, maybe you want to reduce the total supply. I'm going to walk you through everything in this video. Let's just click on. We're going to have 500 million total supply right now. Now this 5 billion. No, this is 500 billion total supply. 500 million total supply. Then, or if you need more of this token, you can click on, you can add as many as you want, like if you want to create your own token. So but you have to notice your total supply. You need fixed total supply, or if you think the token total supply is not enough, then maybe later you can add more or burn from the total supply. So let's first of all create 5 billion. You see, you click on, then token insurance. So you have to wait for this to load. Successfully. We are waiting. Take a little time, like seconds, let's say. Yeah, I think seconds. But wait, as I'm watching this video, I want you guys to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get me to 1k subscribers, guy. I need your help. Get me to 1k subscribers, please. I need your help. Get me to 1k subscribers. Share this video with your friends, to your group, to your crypto group. Share this video to them. Let them be aware of this great opportunity that I'm sharing with you guys. Comment, and like, you can comment the video, any video you want me to work on next. Just drop the comment below. I'm going to reply you immediately. Okay, so it's still loading right now. So this is it. You can see right now, when the token is loading, you have to keep checking this. Don't close this page. When you close this page, you have to start again. Don't close it. So when the token is loading, you have to check this side. You approve the transaction, then you come back to this side, token insurance. You see, this is total supply, the maintain address of this token right now. You can see, if I check my wallet now, you see the token. The token will be pop up right now. Token will pop up. Let me check. Hold on, guys. Sorry. So everything you need to do, Solana token list. If you want to register the token to the Solana token list, this is how you're going to do it. So all you need to do is just to copy this. I'll show you what to do about this one later on in my next video. So how to register the token to the Solana token registrar list. So your token is now done. This is it right now. If you want to apply for CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap registration, all you need to do is here. So you can see right now. You can see this right now. So this is another one right here. So after the token minting, then you go back to my token. You now go back to my token right here. You go back to my token. See, let's reload. Wow, you can see it right now. Token name. The token name is showing the token mint address, because we haven't registered the token name yet on Solana token registry on GitHub. So in my next video, I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to walk you through everything in my next video. So this is it right now. And if you want to burn any token, let me walk you through. Yes, you can see it right now. Here is the token. Yeah, as you can see right now, you can see the token is already showing in my wallet immediately. You can see that was great, so fast. So, and if you want to burn some token, total supply of your token, so this is how you're going to do it. So if you want to burn the token, like you want to reduce the total supply of the token, you just tap this token name once. You tap it once. You can see it right now, or no token, because you haven't registered the token yet. You can see everything right here. You can see token information, token name, mint address, register name. Then if you want to register the token on Solana GitHub, so symbol unregistered, total supply, authorities, order, zero order. So you can see everything is simple. Everything is cool, simple right there, right here. DexLab listing. If you want to list on DexLab, you don't need to stress yourself, be looking for someone to help you out or stuff like that. Just request. This is DexLab Pro. request CoinGecko. Very easy. Like for this, they're going to accept your token very fast if you request from this side to CoinGecko to list your token on CoinGecko very fast if you want to. So this is how you're going to do it. Let me walk you through if you want to burn total supply or you want to add token to your supply. This is how you're going to do it. Change the authority. Maybe you want to transfer the authority of the token to another owner. So let's check this first. Burn. So token burning is a risk operation. Okay, then you click on verify wallet, you click on approve, then you input amount of the token you want to burn. If you click on burn, you can't add it back, it's gone forever. So you have to think very well before you burn. Maybe you want to reduce the total supply of your token. That's why you need to burn your token right now. So yeah, after that, after you input the amount of token you want to burn, then you click on burn, then you accept the transaction right now. So let's go back to add token. Same thing applies to this also. Issuing additional token is a risk of operation. So if you want to do that also, you approve, then you click on the amount of token you want to add to your supply. Maybe you think, okay, this 5 billion supply is not enough for you, and you feel like, okay, let me add more to it. So then you come down there, you add the token, you click on mint, this is my wallet balance. You can see right now, this is my wallet balance. So this is how you're going to do it. So fixed supply is also available. Fixed supply, this one you will not be able to add anything to your token or bond. In this fixed supply, you don't need anything. You're not going to add anything or change anything here. This place, if you want to change the mint authority, like you want to transfer the ownership to another wallet, this is how you're going to do it. You click on wallet verification, then you input the new wallet and you re-enter again new authority wallet address. You input the new authority wallet address. You want to transfer all the token to the new authority wallet. That's how you go to do it. Then you change mint authority after that. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to register your token list to Solana. So in case if you want to scan the token, just like this right now, if you want to scan the token, it will bring out the token name, the image of the token on Solana Scan IO. So that's how you go to do it, and I'm going to explain everything to you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, share with your friends. Thank you guys, see you in my next video.